How to add an overlay in CapCut PC. If you want to add a video overlay in CapCut on your PC, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open CapCut and click on Create Project. Next, click Import in the top left corner and select the two videos you want to use. After selecting both videos, click Open. Now, add both videos to the timeline by clicking the plus icon on each video. Place the main video on the timeline first, then add the second video above it. The video on the upper track will work as your overlay. If you want to blend the two videos together, open the blending option and select Overlay. You can adjust the settings until you get the look you want. Finally, click Play to preview your video and make sure the overlay looks the way you want. That's how you can add a video overlay in CapCut on PC and create more engaging videos. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share for more CapCut tips and tutorials.